Hello everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex. Welcome to today's video. Now I have been trading and teaching Forex for over 15 years. So I have seen a fair share of Forex success and Forex failure. Most failures only have themselves to blame. Lack of education, lack of experience plays a role, but greed plays the biggest role, because greed makes you take shortcuts and exposes you to risks that you shouldn't be exposed to. Now, in most cases, very basic supervision, coaching, or mentorship would have saved those failed Forex traders. And this is sad and really does worry me, because the errors that people make are really fundamental and basic. So if you want to learn how to trade EAs in a way that will give you the best chance of success and have controlled risk as a beginner or even as an existing battling EA trader, then please watch this video very carefully. It could change your life. And here's my offer. I will be your coach, mentor, supervisor, in order to help you to become the most competent EA trader that you can be. Now, what's great about this is it's totally free to you, and this can be done by beginners or even experienced Forex traders. So let's talk about the process. Firstly, Forex trading is like playing golf or swimming. You cannot learn it from a book. You have to get in the water and swim, and then your instructor can help you. You have to get onto the driving range and hit a few balls, and then the pro can give you tips on how to improve your golf. So it is a practical skill. So the first thing I get you to do is to trade on a demo account. I supply the settings, I supply the position sizing. All you have to do is trade. And we do that for 2 weeks. While that is happening, you look at your expectations from Forex trading, how to solve problems in Forex trading, and how to account size and position size to control risk. Now, after 2 weeks of demo trading, we have a look at what results you are getting, your confidence level, your ability to problem solve, that kind of thing. And then we decide whether we should do controlled live trading. And we do control live trading for as long as it takes. We might even go back to demo trading depending on the results that you get in your live trading. If things go well, we can then start looking at increased risk live trading. During all of this, I am there as a supervisor, coach, and mentor through the whole process. So what do you need to qualify for this free service? Firstly, you must have real money to trade. It's pointless doing this mentorship if you haven't got money to trade. So I've put a very low level of money, which is $1,000. $1,000 will not make you rich over a year. If you're lucky, you'll get a 40% return. That's $400 over a whole year of trading. So $1,000 is a very small entry level. So you need to have that available. It doesn't need to be on an account or anything. I just want to know that you will be trading live when the results are good. Secondly, I'm going to be focusing on the Dream Machine EA. And there's many reasons why I'm focusing purely on that one. It is ideal for beginners. It doesn't need any optimization whatsoever. The settings are pretty simple, and it is a true set and forget EA. You put your settings in and you let it run. Additionally, it's fantastic for US traders because there's no FIFO problems, there's no hedging problems, and leverage plays a very, very small role. The next requirement is that you're ready to trade. So the EA has to be loaded, licensed, and you need to be sure that it will be connected to the internet on an uninterrupted basis for trading purposes. Now, getting it to this point is actually a normal support service that we provide. You buy the EA factory helps you install it and activate it. So that is really not part of a mentorship. That is a requirement for you to be ready for your mentorship. So once you qualify, please use this link that is provided on the slide. I will supply you with the settings and lot sizing, and you can start trading right away. And that's the most important aspect of this service. You need to be trading. And then, as explained earlier, you can then have a look at other areas such as problem solving, lot sizing, expectations in the first 2 weeks of your trading. After the first 2 weeks, we have a look at your progress, and then the true coaching, mentorship, and supervision starts. So for more details, just use that link that has been supplied. So as the slide says, you can follow the do-it-yourself route, or you can use guided assistance to trade the Dream Machine EA. And as stated earlier, this applies to beginner traders as well as experienced traders. Now, the biggest benefit from this service will be that you will be supervised. Now, the decision is really yours. Thanks for watching this video. If you've liked it, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and click the bell. But most importantly, share this video. You can do this in many ways. Message your friends, send them emails, or share it on social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, and those kind of places. So from me, Alex Aploy, cheerio.